This recipe produces a beautifully golden and juicy turkey that is sure to satisfy your guests this Thanksgiving. So here I have my turkey in a clean sink that I washed with soap and water before getting started. I'm going to rinse my turkey with running water and remove any loose items in the cavity. Usually what we look for is the neck and giblet packet that you can throw away or use for preparing gravy or stock. Once that is done, I'm going to pat my turkey dry with paper towels and place it in a roasting pan. I like to use disposable roasting pans that I can toss after, but I do place a baking sheet underneath to help the turkey cook more evenly and also to help hold the weight of the turkey. Now to season the turkey. I have here 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I like to use unsalted so that I can control the amount of salt in the recipe. However, you can also use salted and just add half of the salt. To that, I'm going to add the zest of 2 lemons, the juice of 1 lemon, salt, pepper, thyme, rosemary, basil, and minced garlic. You could also use fresh thyme and rosemary. Just make sure to double the amount since it's not as concentrated as the dried version. And here I'm just going to crush the rosemary and thyme to release the natural oils and flavors before adding it to my butter. I'm going to mix that all together and begin adding it to the turkey. First, we're going to fill the cavity with some of the butter mixture and lemons. I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice out of the remaining lemon right into the cavity, and I'm going to place both lemons inside. This really helps tenderize and keep the turkey juicy while cooking. Next, loosen the skin of the turkey and push the mixture between the skin and the meat. Don't forget to fill the areas around the legs, thighs, and wings. I'm going to add the remaining butter to the outside of the skin and tuck the wings under and the legs in. This keeps them from burning or overcooking since they generally take less time to cook than the rest of the bird. Once this is done, we're going to place the turkey in a 325-degree oven and cook this for 4 hours for a 14-pound turkey. Halfway through, I'm going to rotate it since the back of the oven is typically hotter and this will ensure an even bake. I'm also going to start basting the turkey every 30 minutes for the remainder of the time. If you click on the recipe link below, I've included the complete recipe and a link to a really helpful guide that gives you cooking times by weight. And there you have it, a delicious, golden, juicy turkey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.